you okay, Barbara?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I am Coco.
Why didn't you tell us about your nice accident with the pee-pee guy?
No, that pee-pee guy is Coco. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so I went to the forest
To pee-pee.
and there was a guy and he was peeing and I saw his penis. Coco.
You're on coke. Are you okay?